Good afternoon, Bob Dalton coming to you live from Allendale's trading floor here in McHenry, Illinois. It is Monday, the 26th of September, 2011. Very exciting overnight trade. Substantial lows were hit, taking out stops, taking out support, and then building itself back up as the overnight session came to a halt. And I'm talking primarily about the grains. However, we also saw gold down about $100. Silver was down significantly overnight, but able to go ahead and regain some strength, come off the lows enough to make the charts look a little friendlier than they did. But just overall, very exciting day, very volatile over the last couple of weeks here in commodities. Lots of concern over what's going on in Europe. Strength in the dollar is also concerning those who are trading commodities. So it's really a wait-and-see type of attitude that needs to be taken right now when trading commodities, and be very, very cautious if you're trading futures, because they're moving and they're moving fast, and they don't even need to have a good reason to go the direction they are. When you see funds liquidating positions in commodity futures contracts, they'll go and they'll go real quick. So just be very careful. Make sure your strategies are in place when you put the positions on, and don't deviate from the strategies. With that being said, corn today, we finished up 9.5 on the day at 648. The overnight low was 630, so 18 off the lows in the corn. Soybeans managed to pick up a little bit today, up 1 3/4 at 12.59 3/4. 12.26 was the low made overnight. So off the lows there by 33 and 3/4 points. The wheat up 7.5 on the day in Chicago, 648 1/4. That one was 24 off the lows. 624 was the overnight low. So you can see just in the grains what they did overnight, taking out support, hitting a bunch of stops, and then building itself back up. Very volatile. The dollar right now is down 24 at 78.98. Crude oil off of its lows, we're up 91 cents right now at 80.76. 77.11 was the low. So about $3.50 off the low there in the crude as well. Over to livestock, we had a friendly report come out on Friday, the cattle on feed number. Placements were at 99% versus a 108 expected placement number. Very bullish for cattle here. Fats in October were up 290 today. That's where it settled at 119.72.5. Feeders up $3 in the November contract at 137.82.5. Even the stronger corn price, they weren't even paying attention to corn today over in the cattle complex. Just up and away. Hogs today for October down 30 cents at 88.50. We have reason to believe that the cash hog price has peaked. All right, the cutout prices have not yet, but the hogs, the cash hogs, have peaked, and we're expecting a seasonal pullback to resume now in the hog market. So last week I told you go ahead and get them hedged. We like the levels they were at. If you had any hogs for the rest of this year that need to be priced, get it done. Now we feel comfortable in saying that the cash price is in. We're going to watch futures pull on back now. What else? Harvest special. If you subscribe to our research and you need to renew, give us a call. We have special pricing right now for those of you who are watching us on the home page and would like to be involved as a subscriber to our research. Feel free to sign up on the website, or you can call us here at the office. We'll be more than happy to go through any details you may need clarified for you as far as subscribing to the research is concerned. Phone number here is 800-262-7538. And also, heads up for you, Friday morning at 7:30, we have a grain stocks report coming out. And right now, our number, the number that Allendale is using for end stock guesstimates, kind of a bearish number. However, we don't feel too confident that our number is the number that the USDA is going to use. So stay tuned. Feel free to call in with questions prior to the report. 7:30 on Friday, we'll get grain stocks from the USDA. Other than that, have a great week trading. My name is Bob Dalton. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll talk to you again very soon.